How to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So whether you are using iPhone or Android, it's the same process. So first thing, just head over to your Play Store and simply search in for WhatsApp application so that you can update it to its latest version. As you can see, I've already updated it to its latest version. So once you update it, what you can do is simply open the application itself and just open any of the chat where you would like to use this feature, that is Meta Chatbot or Meta AI. So now to activate Meta AI on your WhatsApp on any chat, just head over to its chat section over here and simply type in @ and you can see if you have updated your application to its latest version, you should see such feature that is Meta AI automatically available. Or you can also search in for Meta AI just like this and it should appear once again and you can just send it. Now your chatbot will be able to start to take a conversation with you just like you used to use it with any other AI tools out there. So that is exactly how you do it, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.